Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. And today, we will really have Gunpla. Yeah. Whew. Thankfully, we have a Gunpla. But we still need to unleash this. And maybe I'm so sorry that it's already December. But I think I only build, I only built 5 or 4 Gunpla for this year, but I still getting more Gunpla backlogs either at the back. So I'm really, it's also on the side and below here. So yeah, I don't know where to start, and I really like to do it already, but still, Christmas break is coming, so maybe I will have time. But yeah, some family reunions will happen this Christmas break. So yeah, I think I need to finish them first. But yeah, still, I want to build. Yeah, and before building, we need to unleash. So we have here a box. Yeah, and this box, I already know what's in here, and I'm excited because it's also a premium Bandai. Yeah, this is the kit that we get when I feel lucky with this one because when I ordered this first, it's out of stock. Yeah, it's only just like a grand suit. Yeah, it's a grand suit, but when it's available and the price is very right, man. You really love the price when you get this on the premium Bandai. So why not? Let's get it. Even it's a grand suit, I also like grand suits. So let's go. Without further ado, let's go with this rusty but still trusted heavy knife. Let's go. Let's unleash. Okay, so we unleash this very nice mobile suit, and this is your this is your premium Bandai RGM 79U GM Slope. Is it Slope or SLOEP? And it's a prototype amphibious mobile suit. As you can see, it's underwater. It can go underwater and it can go up. And it's from the Mobile Suit Discovery, which is still part of the Gundam The Origin universe. Okay? Yeah, from the Gundam Origin. So as you can see, if it's from the Gundam Origin, it's the UC, but has a very they add more details on the surface of our Gunplas. Yeah. And this is the first time that I ordered in the premium Bandai that I don't have the invoice. Yeah. The invoice is like this. Yeah, I think like this one. But I don't have this one. I collect this one because this is I just want to collect it. That's the my evidence that I really ordered from the premium Bandai. But yeah, this one, Mobile Suit Discovery, and it's a slope. Yeah, and I think this is color green. Yeah, because premium Bandai is having that monochromatic colors. Okay, but yeah, I'm so not so sad, but I'm just more expecting that I will have those invoice. Okay, more sad on the invoice of the missing invoice. But yeah, this is your GM slope or slope. Yeah, how to read it? So just correct me if you can comment that in our comment section. But yeah, this is a GM. So again, it's a grand suit. But what I like on this one is it has that very unique kind of backpack, which is having also this one. It has something that connects at the backpack. It's like a camera, which you can see at the other side under the water. And also, yeah, it's very UC. Yeah, that's the term. Very UC kind of units. Blocky. Yeah, because it's from the origin, so the proportions are already right, but it's blocky, and the design is very straight to the point. A robot that can swim underwater. It's amphibious, so it can go in the water and also go to the land. So yeah, so same as usual with other kits, we will have an unboxing for this and also a live build. Okay, so just comment down there if you want this to be built first. I don't care if it's a premium Bandai or not. If you want it to, that it will be prioritized, then I will build it because yeah, kit are meant to be built, not to be on the Backlog Paradise. But yeah, I still have those Backlog Parts. But what I meant is this Premium Bandai kits. Because some other, which they take value for that. Some other builders, they don't build, or yeah, collectors, they don't build the Premium Bandai because they know that it will go up in price in the later years or time. But yeah, YOLO. YOLO. Okay, just do it. Just build it. Build your kits. Okay, the man who's telling you to build the kits and have so many buckles in the back. I want to build, but I don't have time. That's the problem. But I have time to buy because I have money to buy. But yeah, so much for that. Again, we'll have unboxing and a live build, and then after that, I will post unboxing, and then after that, we will have the Gunpla showcase. I can't really do more of the spin test. It's not Beyblade, man. It's a Gunpla. Because I can only do now the unboxing and not so much on the review. So I will just showcase you the kit. Okay, show you, and then some text that you can see some positive and negative about the kits. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And so stay tuned on this kit, or in our channel rather, so that you can see the unboxing and the live vid and also the Gunpla showcase for this one. Okay, so for now guys, thank you so much for watching. So if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to inform for our next video. Okay, so it's for now. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Past signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and peace out. Bye. Woo.